right, guys, kitchen renovation is continuing. We're back at my favorite place, Home Depot. I'm going to be going in here and grabbing the kitchen faucet that Mrs. Doc has picked out for our kitchen renovation, and I love this faucet, so I'm excited to install it. Let's go. And here's the faucet I was looking for. It is the Kohler Setra. It's a matte black with a pull-down faucet, a nice little spring curve at the top. I'm a big fan of these Kohler faucets, but the price on this faucet was not $359 when we started this renovation. It was considerably lower than that from what I remember. I want to say that this faucet was even below $300, and whoa, look at that mowing for $369 next to it. So I have a problem here now because we've been doing this kitchen renovation on a budget. We're trying to keep it below $1,000. That seems to be impossible at this point. I mean, even when we go over to our, I wouldn't even call them lower end faucets. I mean, we're looking at $200 faucets for something that's just not that good. So the question is, are we going to spend $360 on this faucet? And sadly, I'm going to have to say no. I mean, here we have the gold model of that faucet, and it's even more money, $370. Now, the brushed nickel model that you can see behind it is actually the one I had in my last house. It was a very reliable faucet, but the one next to that's a bit intriguing. We might be considering this Otira faucet. It has 3 holes to it, which is not ideal, but it's also a very clean looking faucet. It comes in the matte black, which is what we want, and it's $100 cheaper essentially. Still, that price is high at $280. But if there's one takeaway from this, Kohler is making some serious moves at Home Depot right now. I'm actually a fan of their faucets. I've always liked Delta faucets, but having a Kohler myself over the last couple years, I'm a fan. Plus, when it comes to quality and looks, I just don't think Moen and Delta are keeping up with Kohler at this point. I know that's why Kohler's price is higher, but the price on this faucet is just a tough pill to swallow. And I know that's where we're all at as far as prices go on everything right now. But I've renovated this entire kitchen, touching everything up, not getting rid of everything, not doing everything brand new, but finding a way to make it look new. And that's almost a quarter of the price I've spent on this kitchen so far. On a positive note, the Christmas decor at Home Depot looks excellent, and the prices on those are actually not too crazy. We're going to figure something else out. It's a beautiful faucet. Kohler's putting out some great stuff right now, but we got to figure that out. Guys, thank you for subscribing to the channel. If you think I'm being too critical on these prices, let me know in the comments. I'm so jacked up that we've hit 50,000 subscribers here. Stay tuned until the next time. Dave Doc DIY.